What's up? My name is Caela, and I was born deaf, grew up hard of hearing. I can talk, which a lot of people are wondering, but today we're going to be talking about CODAs. And what is a CODA? So CODA is C-O-D-A, CODA, not K-O-D-A. So CODAs are child of deaf adults. Deaf people who are either born deaf, grew up deaf, had an accident, are deaf, and are immersed in the community, culture, and language of deafness. A lot of people ask me, oh my god, are you a CODA or are you just hearing? Because they just assume because I can talk that I am hearing. CODAs they don't hold the same value of deaf people on deaf subjects, but they hold a higher value than hearing people because they are immersed, if their parents are, in the deaf community, culture, language, everything. So their opinion kind of supersedes hearing people on those topics.